4 Best meat for weight loss when you eat enough. 1. Chicken protein content 19 grams g per 3 ounces. Given the leanness and versatility of its use, there is much reason why dieters look to chicken as one of the best meats for weight loss. But while chicken may be touted as an ultimate weight loss food, pairing it with rice and broccoli may become monotonous. Offer variety in your diet by preparing these 11 different ways to cook and use chicken, including roasted, glazed, marinated, stuffed, and thrown into salads, soups, and stews. Additionally, both white and dark meats are valuable in a well-balanced diet, as they each supply protein and rich nutrients such as vitamins A, K, B6 and B12, along with folate, iron, niacin, pantothenic acid, riboflavin, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. Ultimately, control calorie and fat content by ditching the oils and fryer, as well as peeling off the skin. 2. Beef protein content 17 grams per 3 ounces. Despite its unhealthful reputation, there are numerous benefits of eating red meat, including the provision of protein and iron. More specific to grass-fed beef, it is leaner and lower in fat and calories compared to grain-fed beef. Additionally, grass-fed beef is richer in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of good fat considered to be heart-friendly and essential for brain function. When choosing any sort of beef, though, opt for lean, extra lean, and any sort of loin to keep the fat content minimized. 3. Venison protein content 26 grams per 3 ounces. Often coming from deer, venison is also recognized as a healthy meat for weight loss due to its leanness. Venison may also have more vitamins and minerals than beef supplies, including iron, vitamin B6, niacin, and riboflavin. 4. Pork protein content 26 grams per 3 ounces. While pork was previously discouraged, the other white meat can be highly nourishing. Even beyond its protein content, pork is nutrient-dense with thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, vitamin B6, phosphorus, zinc, and potassium. However, it is important to beware and moderate the intake of cured variations of pork, including bacon and ham, as they contain nitrate and nitrite preservatives that have been linked to cancer. Learn the weight loss products below the description. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.